When a visitor presses the smart doorbell, the sound is activated and the camera will push notification to your phone. It features two-way communication, per-motion detection and IR night vision to protect your family more effectively. Smart doorbell provides home security for you, bringing you safety and convenience. In this video doorbell review, I will discuss everything about this product so that you can make your buying decision wisely. To see more information and the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So let's get started. Specifications. Battery. 3.7V 2600 mAh lithium battery. Color. Silver and black silver. Material. ABS. Resolution. 1280x720. Wi-Fi. IEEE 802.11. BGN. Features. 720p video and 166 degrees wide angle. 1280x720 resolution with 166-degree viewing angle ensures the clear and stable videos and images. 3 wake-up methods. Press the doorbell button per detection mobile phone app. App control and two-way audio. Download mobile app to connect doorbell with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and you can detect and secure your home wherever you are. Two-way audio without noise allows you to talk with your visitors conveniently. Per detection. Support per motion detection. When someone wandering in front of door, the doorbell will push alarm message to your mobile phone immediately. IR night vision. Day and night mode switch automatically, no matter day or night, images clearly visible to escort you and your family's safety all the time. IR night vision will turn on when the illuminance is less than 2 lux. 2 storage methods. Support cloud storage service for convenient use. Or you can use a TF card, not included, to store videos, and it supports auto loop recording if the card is full. Low consumption and easy installation. Powered by lithium battery USB interface AC input, select as practical needs. No wire required, easy to install with mounting bracket, screws and self-adhesive tape. Why the doorbell can't turn on with the batteries. You need to take off the sticker on the batteries and it will work. If the Wi-Fi signal is too weak near the door, how can I solve the signal problem? You shall order with the Wi-Fi extender, it will help you extend the Wi-Fi signal distance. Sometimes, the camera will disconnection in my phone, how can I do? Transfer Wi-Fi connect to 4G or transfer 4G to Wi-Fi. And then restart the XSH app. If problem can't be solved, then restart the doorbell. Is the doorbell support intercom? Yes, it support 2CH intercom. No matter where are you, people near the door can speak with you if your phone has Wi-Fi or 4G signal. Is the doorbell support 5GHz Wi-Fi or only 2.4G? It support only 2.4G. Is one doorbell support 2 or more chime? Yes, one doorbell support connect multi-chime. Why my new battery work short time? For airline requirements. All rechargeable batteries must keep 0 to 60% power, if not, parcels can't be shipped by air post. So some battery is empty or less power. Please charge the battery fully the first time you use it. If the battery power runs out, you can use the charger with a micro USB 5V power. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to the video doorbell, please leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.